Let me show you how easy it is to prepare letter tracing exercise in Pages on your Mac. So, when you just type your letters that you want to trace, letters or words, you will get this font. And the font is the whole secret. We just need to get the right font to change this default one into the one that looks like from the tracing book. I already installed on mine, so I will just first type CC, I will copy and paste this, and then I will just use the space bar to give extra space for practice in this line. I already increased the size of this font to 24, but the font is not right, so select all of that and now search for new font. Make sure you are in Format menu on the right, Style, and the font. The font I'm using here is this KG primary font. Take a look, straight from the book. Alright, and this way I can now, this new font, I can now continue. I can now type D, and I can create exercise using this font. So the whole trick is now, if you want to send it to another teacher or parent, you must save it as PDF, so they don't need to have this font. So just click File, we can export as PDF. But I know what the question is, where can I find the font? This font luckily is free. I will just drop the link to this font so you can follow the link and download this KG primary dots, click download and install on your Mac. This way you can use it in all of the programs on your computer. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.